She is a natural hair color level 1, black is black. Each individual hair strand is fine and the density, that's how many hairs per square inch, is medium. I removed the previous toner, gave her a bleach touch-up, and this is the toner. It is a level 9 violet toner, and I added a little booster of extra violet. And this is her hair dried. No foam, no mousse, no gel, no silicone. We sculpted and molded it with a little keratin to replace what we destroyed during the hair color process. This is a beautiful hair color. It is soft, it is feminine, and it's youthful. You are not going to see every other woman in the grocery store with this hair color. In the direct sunlight, you can see the violet and the platinum highlights. All the products we use in our hair color videos you can buy on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.